Oof. Both were hesitant.
21-20.
Service over.
Looked a little tentative on the defence there. Good flick serve.
Yeah. Service.
Nice angle. Brilliant.
Service over.
I like that. He's hit smashes down. Missed it.
Please welcome the technical officials.
Nine.
The sort of basic game or patient game hasn't been so strong as of yet. But with Sun Jun as a coach, I mean, who better could you ask for in terms of played 1 year where he almost played all-out attack. He wasn't that good at it, but it helped him. And then when he mixed it up with his patient, solid game, then became the world champion.
Oh, well adjusted, Axelsen to the net cord. Oh, that's just wide.
I wonder if that's a change in strategy. That's not good. I mean,
Service over.
just a friendly.
But I think it's made his opponent wary of the smash straight down the line from the forehand corner, and therefore that last one, which was played cross, was points later on.
He was moving backwards, Axelsen.
14.
Think of this first game so far, he hasn't really been in the match. That's steep. You had to keep a tight ship tactically.
Good net shot.
Yes.
Oh, brilliant. That's far too flat. Nice. Same corner again.
He needs to do it, he needs to variate. But he's not at all been in this first.
Oh.
Service over.
Oh, that's nice. Oh. Opening game, champion, the world and Olympic champion, Viktor Axelsen. Yeah, push through more with the... Brilliant.
Might not help you.
gone long.
Reception.
15, 17.
I like the idea. Good defense.
Oh, he took that early. Axelsen. Nice angle.
That's his. That's
Nice.
a good one.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Service over. Service over.
Oh, good net shot from the left-hander. That's
Service
lovely.
over.
But it is
Service
match point
over.
opportunities. Oh, reverse slice. Straight drop shot, backhand. Oh, that was going out.
Game.
And Axel, wonderful performance.